If you're experiencing a login failure with Elden Ring, specifically Error 2026, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Elden Ring website or social media channels to check if the game servers are down for maintenance or experiencing issues. If the servers are down, you will need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your device. Sometimes, simply restarting your gaming device can resolve connectivity issues. Turn off your console or PC, wait a few moments, and then turn it back on to see if the problem persists. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing other online services or games. If your connection is weak or unstable, try resetting your router or connecting via a wire connection. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that Elden Ring is updated to the latest version. Check for any available updates on your gaming platform and install them. Updates often include fixes for known issues, including login problems. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If none of the previous steps work, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling Elden Ring. This can help fix any corrupted files that may be causing a login failure. After reinstalling, try logging in again. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, it may be helpful to reach out to customer support for further assistance.